Shoreline Storm. It's your boy, Mr. G, coming back at you with another video. I've been thinking a lot about the hockey players out there these days. Big respect up to our Victoria Royals, mad love to my hometown, Vancouver Canucks, and a shout out to my beautiful wife Lizzie for getting me this sweet jersey for Christmas. Thank you very much. Well, hockey players, you're probably dying to be on the ice right now. I know I'm missing it out. I found a little basketball court here in Beacon Hill Park, and again, I'm lucky to live in a wonderful neighborhood. The Lekwungen speaking Songhees and Esquimalt nations that provide this land that we enjoy and we teach on, and we learn on, and we enjoy. Here, Beacon Hill Park's got so many different facilities, and it's a great place to go for a walk. But not far from James Bay Elementary, there's a little basketball court slash hockey net, and I wanted to come over and give a shout out to all you hockey players out there, because I know you're missing your time on the ice. Oh. The arenas are closed, and some of you may have rollerblades, and if you do, I encourage you to get out on your blades and just keep that footwork going. Keep that, that motion, that skilled skating going, because roller hockey is very similar to ice hockey. I mean, there are obviously some significant differences in terms of how you can maneuver on the asphalt as opposed to the ice, but shooting styles and passing skills, they're all applicable, both on the road and on the ice. So here we are, got a little shooting setup. We're going to talk about a couple of different types of shots today. You'll notice, if you have really keen vision, that I've got a couple of pucks, and the one that a local passerby just passed back. Thank you very much to him. So I've got some pucks. Those are foam street pucks, and I've got some balls, and the balls are varying weights, and there's one in particular that's a really great weight. It's heavier. It feels like it might be almost like a cricket ball. It's not the $2.99 special from Canadian Tire, of which I have, and then I have a pink one that's even lighter. So there's a variety of different weights to outdoor street balls. You might find that stick handling in an outdoor setting, or not on the ice, is a lot more challenging. That's why I don't put tape on my stick. Tape tends to have an adverse effect when you're outdoors. So, see what you got. If you have a crossball, if you have a baseball, those might be more representative of the weight of an actual hockey puck. The outdoor pucks, they're not very representative of what a real puck feels like. So again, try some different things. A tennis ball's great for quick hand skills, a lighter ball for taps back and forth, a heavier ball for sweeping moves and shots. So try it out. Again, I've gone for the heaviest ball. It feels like it might be, it's probably a field hockey ball. It's really heavy, but it allows me an opportunity to really guide the ball while I'm trying to keep my head up. Move around with the ball. Shots on net are always good. It's a heavier ball, so it's not going to fly like a regular puck. It's definitely a field hockey ball. It's very heavy. So the $2.99 special from Canadian Tire. It's a great orange ball. It's meant for outdoor hockey. It's got a lighter weight, but it's fun to play with, and it doesn't create too much friction on the stick. it allows you to move around quickly. It allows you to work on hand-eye coordination, stick handling. It's a rather light projectile, so if it comes to shooting, I would say it's a good opportunity to practice slap shot, because you're going to be able to, really put the weight of your stick through it. But it's probably not going to go too crazy because it's such a light ball. And then finally, you got the lightest of the balls. And this one might just be something that's kicking about a hall closet. You don't know what it was for, really. This one does look like an indoor hockey ball, but it's soft, so that would be good for, middle school sports for the goalies. So it really has an authentic feel. But whatever ball you're working with, whether it be a tennis ball, a golf ball is a great resource too. They're all useful for practicing stick handling. Going back and forth, keeping your head up, not really looking at the ball itself, but keeping an eye on things off in the distance. When you're playing hockey, you want to be able to look up the ice and see your teammates in an advanced position. So keeping your head up is very important. So practice working on stick handling skills. It's a lot of fun, and then if you have the opportunity and you can create a little goal for yourself, then why not take a shot? Look at the pucks. We'll take a quick grip with the puck. Almost on target. Anyway, get out there, do what you love. If hockey's your thing, try and find a space where you can practice your stick handling. Get out and enjoy a sunset. Find a fence, crack some against the fence. Shoreline Storm represent.